Welcome. Are you deciding between the All-Clad D3 stainless steel fry pan and the Cuisinart MultiClad Pro? You're in the right place. Let's dive into the details and find out which pan best suits your needs. The All-Clad D3 is often regarded as the gold standard. It excels in structural integrity and heat distribution. On the other hand, the Cuisinart MultiClad Pro offers similar performance at a lower price. However, the All-Clad D3 has a 12% higher resistance to distortion from thermal shock. Now, what makes these pans stand out? First, let's discuss their construction. Both use 18/10 stainless steel, known for its corrosion resistance. However, the All-Clad's high-purity aluminum core runs from the base to the walls, while the Cuisinart's is slightly thicker but affects thermal responsiveness. Next up is the essential difference in construction type. All-Clad uses full vessel cladding, ensuring even heat retention. This construction also keeps sides of the pan hot, reducing hotspots seen in cheaper options. Moving on to handle design, the All-Clad features permanent stainless steel rivets that stay cool during cooking. In testing, the Cuisinart noticeably shifted under pressure, indicating a less robust connection. In laboratory tests, the All-Clad D3 reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit faster than the Cuisinart, showcasing better thermal efficiency. The All-Clad also bends less under stress and recovers faster from temperature changes. This data suggests that the All-Clad D3 is superior for serious cooking tasks. It's the right choice for those who value professional-grade durability and precision. Meanwhile, the Cuisinart MultiClad Pro serves as an excellent, budget-friendly option for home cooks. To summarize, while both frying pans deliver quality performance, the All-Clad D3 claims the top spot due to its exceptional metallurgy and craftsmanship. If you need reliability and functionality, the All-Clad is the way to go. Ready to elevate your cooking game? Check the links in the description to find the All-Clad D3 or Cuisinart MultiClad Pro that suits your cooking style. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen gear insights.